Amazon, the world's largest online marketplace, prides itself on its commitment to customer satisfaction. One of the ways it ensures this is through its A to Z guarantee, which provides protection for buyers against fraudulent sellers, damaged products, or non-deliveries. While this policy has its merits, it also comes with some negative consequences that both buyers and sellers should be aware of. In this blog post, we will explore the downsides of A to Z claims on Amazon.
A to Z claims can significantly impact sellers, especially small businesses and independent sellers. When a claim is filed, Amazon usually sides with the buyer, resulting in the seller being held responsible, regardless of the circumstances. This can lead to financial losses, damage to seller metrics, and even suspension of their selling privileges.
Unfortunately, the A to Z claim system is not immune to abuse. Some buyers may exploit this policy by filing unwarranted claims to receive refunds or replacements without returning the original item. This places an unfair burden on sellers who must absorb the costs.
Receiving multiple A to Z claims can have a detrimental impact on a seller's reputation. Even if the claim is resolved in their favor, the negative feedback and ratings associated with the claim can persist and deter potential customers from purchasing from that seller in the future.
The investigation process for A to Z claims can be flawed. Amazon may not thoroughly investigate claims, leading to situations where legitimate sellers are penalized due to false or inaccurate claims. The burden of proof often falls on the seller, resulting in an imbalance of power.
Let me give you all conclusion. While the A to Z guarantee on Amazon aims to protect buyers, it can have negative consequences for sellers. The system's potential for abuse, inadequate investigation process, and reputational damage highlights the need for Amazon to reassess and refine its claim policies. Balancing buyer protection with fair treatment for sellers is crucial for maintaining a healthy and sustainable online marketplace. As a buyer, it's important to exercise caution when filing A to Z claims and to consider alternative dispute resolution methods before resorting to such measures. Likewise, sellers should be aware of the potential pitfalls and take proactive steps to mitigate the negative impact of A to Z claims on their businesses. In the end, a comprehensive and fair approach.
Thank you so much for taking the time to watch our critical Amazon A to Z video on YouTube. Your engagement and support mean a lot to us. We understand that it was a detailed and in-depth discussion, and we appreciate your dedication to learning more about this crucial topic. Your opinion matters greatly to us, and we genuinely value your feedback. We encourage you to share your honest comments and thoughts about the video. Your insights will help us improve our content and provide even better value to our viewers. At Orraq, we are committed to delivering informative and high-quality content that empowers our audience. We strive to address important topics in a critical and insightful manner, and your feedback plays a significant role in shaping our future content. And as we says, your comments always give us an opportunity to improve ourselves. And if you feel our efforts are good and our subjects has value to discuss, please encourage us by subscribing our channel, and if you like our video, give us a thumb up and do not forget to press bell icon. All this will help us to connect with each other. Enjoy the rest. We'll see you in our next video.